Hi friends, we have an amazing DHgate haul, perfect just in time for spring and summer. This is gonna be probably a couple parts because I have so many amazing things coming for you guys. So everything will be linked in my bio. It's gonna take you straight to my Beacons page. There'll be a picture next to it. You just click the link and it will take you directly to the product. So let's get started with, are you kidding me? The most perfect. I have these in the pink glitter and then just like the plain OG brown and green, and I love them. I got a size 38. It does fit true to size. I'm a normal 8, so keep that in mind. The quality of these are amazing. Like, they are so good. Like, the sparkle is unreal and literally will go with everything. Like this outfit, are you kidding me? So freaking cute. So yeah, link in bio for this. These did not come with a box, they just came with a bag, which is fine. And then next, literally so excited. Oh my God, all of these pieces, y'all, are so freaking good, and I just wish they were all here, but they're slowly trailing in. Shipping takes usually around a month, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. I mean, it is coming from overseas, so just came with just the dust bag, whatever, but wait till you see the strap. The strap is like the freaking cutest. Are you kidding me right now? Obsessed. Quality of this one is amazing. It has a little back pocket. The inside is like the brown, like suede type thing. It also came with just like a little tiny shoulder strap, which is really cute. Little zipper pocket in there for your cards or whatever. So obsessed with this one. Will also be linked. When ordering, you go off of the picture, not the color description, because sometimes it'll say, like for this one, I can't remember off the top of my head, but it'll say like red. It's obviously not going to be red. I don't know why they do that. Just go off of the picture. And then in the description on all of my links, before you click on them, it'll tell you which option to choose. So, and then third, this box quality is amazing. Like, love this. These shoes I cannot wait to wear with like a little sundress, like black flowy dress to like church. Are you kidding me? These are absolutely gorgeous. And then with the detailing right there, I got a size 38 and they fit pretty true to size. If you like your heels a little bit looser, I would say go up a size. They are kind of tight on me, but they're still so freaking cute. Obsessed. Like, the quality of these just like literally just blow my mind. I'm so obsessed. So also will be in my bio. Come back for part 2 because we've run out of time, and I hope y'all enjoy everything, and I hope y'all enjoy the additional things that I'm bringing for y'all for spring and summer, and just like good gifts like Mother's Day, all sorts of things. So happy shopping and hope y'all love it.